Morning. So today is day three at Cooinbil Camp Hut. We decided to stay an additional night here instead of move on. We've changed things a little. The access to fuel is a little bit of an issue. There's no guarantee that we're going to get fuel at the next stop. So instead of risking getting there and be stranded, we've decided to push on. I'm going to go through Cooma on to Thredbo Diggings and stay 2 nights in Thredbo Diggings. Yeah. What's today going to do?
Not much.
No, just going to chillax here.
Yeah.
Enjoy the peace, the serenity.
Maybe go for a drive and have a look-see around. But just a relaxed day today.
Nice.
Time.
What are we cooking today?
Bacon, eggs, tomatoes, halloumi, chipolatas. Yum yum.
Just for us, world belongs to us, no fuss. Moonlit skies, we're hand in hand. Wanderlust, we understand. Midnight drive, we come alive. Cruising roads, we feel the vibe. Every mile, just you and me. Chasing dreams beneath the tree. Headlights shining just for us. World belongs to us, no fuss. Moonlit skies, we're hand in hand. Wanderlust, we understand. Midnight drive, we come alive. Come alive. Cruising roads, we feel the vibe. Cruising roads, we feel the vibe. Every mile, just you and me. You and me. Chasing dreams beneath the tree. Beneath the tree. Radio plays our favorite song. We sing loud, we sing along. No maps, just the open road. Together sharing stories told. Midnight drive, we come alive. Cruising roads, we feel the vibe. Cruising roads, we feel the vibe. Every mile, just you and me. You and me. Chasing dreams beneath the tree. Street signs blurring on our review. In the sky, the darkest blue. Laughing loud without a care. You and me, the perfect pair. Headlights shining just for us. World belongs to us, no fuss. Moonlit skies, we're hand in hand. Wanderlust, we understand. Midnight drive, we come alive. Come alive. Cruising roads, we feel the vibe. Cruising roads, we feel the vibe. Every mile, just you and me. You and me. Chasing dreams beneath the tree. Beneath the tree.
She moves like a map with no borders, a whisper caught in the wind. I see her boots at the corner cafe, with a notebook and a grin. She's chasing skies I've never named, while I stay in my lane. But something in the way she moves keeps pulling chain. Oh, traveler, you carry the sun in your stride, leaving behind what I hold inside. If I don't ask your name today, I may never get the chance to walk beside your wandering dance. She hums a tune I've never heard in languages I can't speak. She writes down cities on her wrist and dreams she'll never keep. I sip my coffee, miss my cue, still anchored by my fear. But time rolls on like open roads, and soon she won't be here. Oh,
What you doing? Writing in the visitors book. Leading our trademark Suckling adventures. So anyone that comes to visit can go to YouTube and have a look at the videos that we took while we're here. Door lock mechanism. Paul Destrini.
To walk beside your wandering dance. Maybe next year in Madrid, or on some quiet mountain ridge, I'll see you turn and I'll be brave. But what if courage comes too late? Oh, traveler, the world is your open gate, and I just stood afraid of fate. If I don't take that step today, you'll
Epic dinner tonight.
Toasties.
And that's because we had a very, very big breakfast.
Yeah, and we had cheese platter.
An awesome cheese platter for afternoon tea. And now we've decided, well, because it's pouring rain, well, on and off pouring rain, let's check out the oven, give it a spin with some leftover lamb from the other night.
Yep.
And cheese.
Lamb, cheese, and barbecue sauce.